So there's the spot that all those 2x12s were taking up. Wow, so much room. But it's enough room for all of that shiplap. And then, woohoo! That way, we can get the stuff done in the inside for CO purposes. And he's got to take off. He's got stuff for his deck. So those will be going up in a video soon sometime. Don't know when, but there we go. It's all in. We're getting close. Closer and closer every day.
Got a helper down here. This is a budding apprentice.
It's sucky weather, but we're trying to do it anyway. We've got one
Do what anyway?
piece of flashing on, and we have our car running to warm up the we're putting a tar like stuff just along the bottom for extra protection, and it worked. So we'll just keep going, and if we get rained out, we get rained out. We got stuff to do inside, but
I'm gonna be outside today.
I don't want to do the inside stuff. I'm sick and tired of it. I've been inside all winter. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can get it all.
We're starting out by putting this tar on the edge, kind of filling in the space between our sill and the plywood. And then we're gonna stick that metal on, nail it, put the stuff over top, and then once we get to our siding, we'll start laying our siding on top of this. It'd be nice to finally feel like water can't get in.
Water hasn't been getting in.
No, you're right. Dirt, water, bugs.
None of those have been getting in.
I mean,
No, I haven't.
yeah.
What?
We're gonna need to air out the car before we get into it because of the,
Is it really bad?
it's just pretty strong. You can smell tar. All right, kids are up from a nap, and we have gone to the other side of the house.
I don't want to get dirty, see? I'm all clean.
I'm doing this a little differently because I have liquid flashing down on the bottom. But what I want to do is I just want to try to protect the wood and water.
But the liquid flashing could use a little bit of help, couldn't it?
This will help it.
Yeah, I know, but
We have hard flashing.
oh, the metal. Yes, duh. Sorry.
So we're gonna be just fine. I'm just
Yep.
doing this to put the it's like a bead of caulk behind the
Gotcha.
flashing, so water can't get behind it if it falls.
Gotcha.
Water. When are we going to put this down when it dries out?
What?
We're going to put this down when it dries out.
Put what down?
What?
What are we gonna put down?
On the wood where you're doing.
No, I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put the flashing on it when it's still sticky.
What? Why? Daddy, why?
Because.
So it sticks. Gotta get them started at a young age. Uh-huh.
He'll be done when we're done building our house.
Exactly.
Filling in that trench.
That's really close to your face.
If they didn't like it before, they get to like it now.
Yep.
It's too much like duct work.
You're doing great, babe.
Ugh.
It's a little long over here. Can you tuck it behind it? Just needs a little bit more.
I'm being patient.
You are being very patient.
I'm being patient until we're done.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to be patient.
Okay, hang on, dude. Pull, Miles, pull. Pull. Good job. Keep going, keep pulling, keep pulling. Keep pulling. Good job. Thank you. Wow. What are you doing?
I'm helping you smooth it out.
Perfect. Thank you.
No, you're welcome.
You okay?
Okay, we're gonna work our way around the garage now. Well, we got the majority of this done. We have yet to go around that side of the house. So but before we do that side, we're gonna get this side done first in case there are, so that way what we could do is we can use a lot of the little pieces of scrap along the master bedroom side of the house where there'll be a lot less people seeing things. But you can barely see the seams anyway, so it really won't matter a whole lot, but we're still gonna do it that way. So,
Probably gonna cover up the guffed up corner.
oh yeah, that's right. Back when I was backfilling the foundation, I nicked, where is it? That, with the excavator, so. It was a nick, it's only cosmetic, you know, you can't see it from the road.
But make it look pretty.
Anyway. Ugh. I have trash to get rid of. All the way up to the door in concrete. We'll wrap around in the garage. It's going pretty quick. It's nice with the sunshine and, oh, hey look. Heather brought the kid table from inside outside.
Dad! Daddy, I found another cricket!
You found another cricket?
Yeah!
Really?
It was under the leaves.
Oh, I bet.
Dad, I catched it!
Yeah, they like to hide under things.
Yeah. Can you see it?
They've been catching all sorts of critters. It's so much fun to watch. Anyway, almost done. We once we finish up to this point of the garage, we have to move over to the master portion of the house. This is actually going pretty quick. We had to pick up more of that tar stuff, and the stuff we got is way better.
Way nicer.
Well, or it's just warmer, so it's goopy instead
I
of.
think have something added to it because it's like completely different. It's completely different. I'm sorry. It's so much easier to put on. So I'm not complaining.
Yeah.
Go up and meet where we just ended.
Do you want to dig out the section here?
Not really. Yes, I will. I know, I will. We will. I will. I'm more than happy. Yeah, there is a bug. Yep. Mhm. It's a bug. I know.
Yeah, he's definitely playing with the poison. We're back today. Heather's making lunch for the kids. And we did finish all of the trim around the house. I'll just show you what we did. Yesterday, phones died and we couldn't actually get the last bit of it. But we got all the way down, and around. I haven't figured out don't know all the plan on covering everything up yet, but we'll get there. At least the flashing is on. So all the way down, all the way around. Perfect. And now we're gonna work on the front porch today. Or at least start. We're gonna start the front porch because we need an entryway before we start siding. And we're trying to get to a point where we can start siding. So we at least needed all of that to start the front porch. But because we just did it, we just decided to do all of it. Now we don't have to go back. Perfect. All right. Lunch and then work. And a little bit of play.
Just gotta take a moment and say wowza. Yeah, in the camera it looks tiny, but this thing is huge. It does not look as big.
On the camera?
Yeah, that's 10 feet. Hopefully that's not too big.
More than 10 feet.
Well, I mean, yeah. From the deck up, it's gonna be 10 feet. All right, we just did all that work to get the joists in and the posts up, and then Kyle had a great idea. I don't know if you guys could tell in the time lapse, but when we were putting the post up, we did not put the pilings far enough in and back, and so the posts are actually on just like the very edge of the piling. Anywho, it was kind of like this is fine, it'll be okay. It's on the the brackets on the majority of the concrete. It's just hanging off a lot. Well, Kyle, now that we're this far, realized that if he notches out the 6x6, because it's a 6x6, there are a few other things that it would help, along with getting the piling or the post on the piling better. So we're gonna take a few steps back.
The majority of the work is done.
Yes.
It just means that I have to undo something, which that undoing is easy at this point.
Just a little annoying.
Yeah, well,
It'll make it overall better.
you do something and you learn.
Hmm.
And at least we're not at a point to where we're screwed.
We can't change it.
All it is a few screws.
And time. And energy. That's not that bad. Anywho, alright. Poster coming out.
It's not today. I
Oh.
don't have the bolts.
We're not doing it today.
I don't have the bolts.
Right. You have 1 bolt.
I have one. We could do one and see how it works.
Do you want to do that?
Sure.
Or just wait?
No, we can do one. Let's do one.
Okay. Get off, please. Whoa. We need to undo what we did. What once was sketch is now made better. Yeah, that's a lot better.
Should land.
Wish we had thought of it earlier, but you know what? That's
You
okay.
live and learn and you do the best you can.
Yes. Again, yes. Go again. I'm watching. Yep, we're gonna go up the hill. We can't leave our bike in the road, Miles. Come here, Miles. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. There's Landon. Yeah, go up the hill. Go up the hill.
Mom.
Go. A lot of work.
Yeah. Couldn't worse. I'm
Alright.
a genius.
That's before. I mean, delayed genius.
Hey, hey. At least it's there.
All right, that looks pretty. Looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Do you need my help?
I do.
Okay. Camera needs to go down.
Daddy.
My stroke of genius.
I know. Hey, do you want more bread? All right. While Kyle finishes getting that all squared away, I'm gonna pack up kids. We're gonna head home. It's just gonna have to stay like this for a little bit. But posts are on the concrete better. Yeah, joists are in. It's starting to take shape.